So now we're going to see the last question from deployments and updates of section 2. That is this particular question. Create a deployment with revision history limit of 5, perform 10 updates and verify only 5 revisions are kept. So basically, if you see an example here, like these are all the replicas itself. You see the revision history, right? Um, rollout history of this. There is on 3 different revisions happening for this deployment. They are actually asking to show like this. It can show like hundreds of revision histories, right? But I just want to limit that to 5 or some 6. Like there should be a particular number that it has to basically stop to show that many revision numbers only the latest 5 or latest 10 I want. So how can we do that? Let's get started. So this is our 45th question. Okay. Hmm. Yes. I just noted down a similar question like this. Let's say there is a deployment with 3 replicas, which we are already having. We'll just consider the same one. And trigger at least 8 rolling updates to the deployment by changing the image or updating an annotation. The thing is, we need to change that particular deployment those many times and then verify the revision history limit whether it is functioning or not. So that if I do K rollout history, I have to get the latest 5 only, which I have limited. Basically, what I have to use to limit it. So if you see K explain deployments, one dot spec. Okay, so there are so many things, but if I pipe it, this is the one which I have to use in my uh, deployment. So I'll just do edit deployments, my deployment, and inside this, I need to add a revision history limit. It is already there, but I want to reduce it to 5. Okay. Now it is edited, and now I want to make so many revisions to this deployment such that let's say I will do 8 revisions, but it has to show me the latest 5 only because we have kept the revision limit as 5. So for that, I can use a for loop or I can manually do a changes like set image 3 4 times. So anything works. Okay. So I have a for demo purpose, I have a for loop, which is basically my and this is not an instance. So let's remove this. Okay. Okay. Mm. Or let me just do one thing. Let me set this, yeah. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10. Yeah. So now let's see how in the history it shows. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only the revisions that are only which we want to see. The latest one is only showing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if I see edit deployment, currently I have 5. Basically, that means it shows a first revision and then followed by the 5 revisions. Followed by the 5 is what we have to give in the count of revision history limit. That is good. I just want to check out like K rollout history deployment minded. Okay, maybe I will just do hyphen hyphen revision. Add importance. Revision equals to 6. So what was that revision? And there is an environment update ID, it's 3. Okay, that is 7. It's 1. So basically, I'm just checking what are all the revisions it has done. Since it has started from the number 6, I'm just checking that from that particular number. Okay. So I hope this is good for you. And from the next section, we are going to see about the config maps and secrets. Thank you.